Oh my god, oh my god, I'm so excited, oh my god. Of course, I just came back from Roatan and my hair feels like 26 dive hair. So there are 3 products. One is the first stage. Second one, it's gonna be the second stage. And we have a last one, which is the rack repair. You're gonna ask her for it. It smells so good. Conditioner. This is gonna be my best friend because of course all of us divers with long hair, after a long week of diving, we start getting like really dry ends and split ends, and then of course that makes us lose the length of our hair. We don't want that. So this, applying it, oh my gosh, I can't wait. So oh my god, check this out. It's so shiny and silky. Oh my god, I especially love that it's harmless to the ocean. Thank you, ScubaScreen.